Hello guys, welcome back to Mech Geeks YouTube channel. So today, we are going to learn simple Java program. That is hello world. First of all, let's begin with the structure of the Java program. It has mainly class definition, having the braces block. Inside that, main method definition and that also having the braces block. And finally, body of the method. So, class definition, main method definition and body of the method. Here the open braces and close braces represents the term called block. Now the rule number 1 is, your Java program should always start with a class definition. Begin with the word class, followed by the name of the program, which is also known as class name. Use curly braces to start and end the class definition. In this example, the name of the program would be Hello World. The class name can be anything as your wish. Just remind class name, followed by braces. Now the rule number 2, in the Java program, there are many classes, and inside that there are many methods. But there is a point you have to keep in mind, that is, the control of execution always starts and ends from the main method only. So here is the general syntax of main method. Public, static, void, main, inside the parenthesis, string, brackets, space, args. Here, public keyword is the access modifier. That means, the main method is accessible from everywhere. The word static is type of variable. That means to call the main method, there is no need of creation of objects. You will be able to understand about this concept when I am explaining about the type of variables. And coming to void, it is a return type. You can simply say void means nothing. That means it don't have any return value. Main represents the name of the method. For executing the program, the control always starts from the main method. If there is no main method in your program, code will not start execution. Inside the parenthesis, string, open and close brackets, space, args must be present. This is known as command line arguments. The arguments passed from the console can be received in the Java program, and it can be used as an input. Coming to the rule number 3, body of the method. The main operations will be presented inside the body of methods. So here we are just printing the hello world. For printing the output in the screen, we can use the print statements. They are system.out.println, or we can use system.out.print. Here there is one difference between these two statements. The ln refers to next line. That means after printing the output, the cursor will move to the next line. In this one, after printing the output, the cursor will remain on the same line. So now just write this code and execute in the Eclipse software. First of all, class name. Here I am using hello world as class name. Now open braces and close braces. Inside that public, static, void, main, inside the parenthesis, string, open and close brackets, space, args. Here we can use string ... args, instead of using string, open and close brackets space args. As of now let's use general one. Now open braces and close braces. Inside that we are going to print hello world. So system.out, println, inside the parenthesis, type hello world. But, it is a string, so we should always use double quotations when we are typing a string. At the end type, semicolon. It represents that the statement is ended. Now, here click the run button. So finally our output is printed. Now we will see what happens in the memory point of view. Let's us consider a character named co, which is also known as the control of execution. When we click the run button, co checks whether there is a main method present inside the code. So he quickly recognizes, yes, there is a main method. Now for execution, he first checks whether it is public or not. So as of now it is public. Checked. Next it checks whether it is static one or not. So as of now it is static. Checked. And moving to whether it is an void type return or not. So you also known it is void. So checked. Finally it checks whether it has command line arguments. So as of now it has. Now any method will have the body. Now co also search for whether it has body or not. Remember a body is always inside the braces. Now, control will enters into the body. Here the co will observe the print statements, system.out.println, having hello world string, inside the parenthesis. Immediately, co prints the hello world in the console. Now it observes, no more statements. Finally, control will return from where it came, and code will be terminated. Remember, if any of this is missing inside the definitions of class and main methods, there will be chance of getting an error. So, it's your turn now. Try what happens if any of these keywords are missing in the definition. That's all for today. In the next video we are going to learn about the data types. Hope you guys understood. Please give us a like, and share this video, comment, and most importantly make sure to subscribe our channel.